Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Kia Forte headlights. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is accurate and your fuel tank is at least half full. Turn on your low beam headlights and mark the center of each beam on the wall with tape. This initial setup is crucial for accurate adjustments. Now let's find the adjustment screws. Open the hood of your Kia Forte. You'll see the headlight assemblies. Look for two distinct screws on each headlight unit. One controls vertical movement and the other handles horizontal alignment. They are usually located on the top or back of the assembly. Knowing where these are is key to making precise adjustments. Next, we'll adjust the vertical aim. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn the vertical adjustment screw. Turning it clockwise will raise the beam, while turning it counterclockwise will lower it. Aim for the top of the low beam cutoff to be about 2 inches below the marks you made on the wall. This ensures your headlights illuminate the road without blinding oncoming drivers. Finally, let's fine-tune the horizontal aim. Use the horizontal adjustment screw to center the beam directly below your wall marks. Make sure both headlights are aimed straight ahead, not pointing inward or outward. Once satisfied, close your hood and take your Kia Forte for a test drive. This final check ensures your headlights provide optimal visibility and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.